In the year 1859, first ascent of Grand Combin, one of the highest summits in the Alps. In the year 1930, in Montevideo, Uruguay wins the first FIFA World Cup. In the year 1932, premiere of Walt Disney's Flowers and Trees, the first cartoon short to use Technicolor and the first Academy Award-winning cartoon short. In the year 1962, the Trans-Canada Highway, the longest national highway in the world, is officially opened. In the year 1966, England defeats West Germany to win the 1966 FIFA World Cup at Wembley Stadium after extra time. In the year 1971, Apollo 15 mission, Scott and James Irwin on the Apollo Lunar Module Falcon land on the Moon with the first Lunar Rover. In the year 2003, in Mexico, the last old-style Volkswagen Beetle rolls off the assembly line. In the year 2006, the world's longest-running music show Top of the Pops is broadcast for the last time on BBC Two. The show had aired for 42 years. In the year 2012, a power grid failure in Delhi leaves more than 300 million people without power in northern India.